Welcome back, students. Again, I'm showing you one more sum from some applications of trigonometry. This is a little interesting sum, so you can just have a look at this particular sum. See, in a violent storm, a tree got bent by the wind. So as the top of the tree got bent by the wind, the top of the tree meets the ground at an angle of 30 degrees. At a distance 30 meters from the root. At what height from the bottom did the tree get bent? What was the original height of the tree? So to understand this, let's take something like this. Let's say there is a tree. This is a tree. Now there was a violent storm, and because of the violent storm the tree broke but did not get fully detached, and it touched the ground somewhere here. So as a result, if you see, this forms a right angle triangle. With the ground somewhere here, it has made an angle of 30 degrees, and this distance between this root of the tree and the tip where it touches the ground, that distance is 30 meters. So I have drawn for you already the figure here. This is the original height of the tree. XY is the original height of the tree. Now the tree got bent or broken at point A. So let this height in this particular case, let me take this height as h. And here it got detached. So what was the remaining part? Let it be x. So here, since it has got broken at A, I have taken this value as h, and above it is x. Now what about this AB? This part and this part is same. After bending, this has come here. So this value is also going to be x. So let us find out. First, we'll take in triangle AYB. Now if you look at this AYB, this is 90. So this is your hypotenuse, this is your perpendicular, this is your base. I will need to find out h, so I will be using perpendicular and base. So we know perpendicular and base is 10. So you'll be using, in this case, 10, 30 degree is going to be the perpendicular, that is AY, and the base is BY. What is the value of 10, 30? 1 by root 3. AY is how much? AY we don't know, that is, let us take it as H. And BY is how much? 30. So what happens here? It becomes 30 by root 3 is equals to H. But we have learned in the previous classes, in class 9 and 1, we need to rationalize. Whenever it's something like this, you rationalize it. So multiply by the same number both are. So what do we get? H equals to, this is 30 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. So H comes out equals to 10 root 3. So what is the value of root 3? 10 into 1.73. So H comes out equals to 17.3 meters. So one part we got it. At what height did the tree, from the bottom, did the tree get bent? So the tree got bent at a height of 17.3. So I'll write it here. The tree got bent at an height of 17.3 meters. Now what is that? The original height. So to find the original height, we need the value of x. This one. Now if you look at this x, this is your hypotenuse. Now you can take any, whether you take perpendicular, whether you take base, let me take perpendicular. Hypotenuse and perpendicular, in which ratio they are related? We know some people have P by H, it comes with sine. So let's take the second part of the triangle, let's take in triangle AYB. Let's take sine of 30 is equals to perpendicular. Sine is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Some people have. Perpendicular is AY and hypotenuse is AB. So what is the value of sine 30? We know is half. AY, what is the value of AY? AY is your H. AY is your H. So H, what is the value of H we got? We got the value of H as 10 root 3. And what is the AB? In this case is 30. So what do we get? Sorry, my mistake in this case. We needed to find out sine 30 is perpendicular by hypotenuse. My mistake. Perpendicular in this case is your AY. Hypotenuse is AP, that is X. This is 1, this is half. AY value comes out equals to H and AB is your X. So what is the value of H? We got it as 10 root 3 X. So X will be how much if we cross multiply? 20 root 3. So X will be 20 into 1.73. So X will be 34.6. 3 to the 6, 41, 34.6 meters. So what is the original height? I don't have a space here, so I write here. So original height will be H plus X. H plus X. H you got it as 17.3 and X you got it as 34.6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 51.9 meters. So that is the answer. Thank you.